So sometimes in Blender you want to split your object into multiple parts, especially when you're importing such files as STLs or mesh files. In this case, I want to take this seahorse, which I've imported from STL, and split it straight down the middle. So to do this, it's best to get your view into the correct position. So I've got this face on the YZ plane. Now we need to change our mode. We'll come in to the edit mode. We'll use the tool called the Bisect Tool, and it's located underneath the knife tool. So we locate the knife tool, long click with the left mouse button and select Bisect. Now at the moment I haven't got anything selected, so if I try to click and try to bisect this, I'm going to get an error. We first need to select everything. Right to select and select all. Make sure we're on the Bisect tool, and a word of warning here is that this may run slowly depending on how complex the model is. If you start dragging a bisect through this object, you see a delay, then it's worth decimating the object to reduce how complex the mesh is. I have a video on that and I'll link it into the description, and it's on the screen now. So with our Bisect tool selected, we click and drag a line down. And I want to go straight through the middle like this. Once I release, we get this helper up the top here. So from here, I can take the arrow and move it left and right into position. I also can move from the center as well, and I can rotate using the outer circle. Also on the left, we look at the bisect, we've got this pop-up panel here, and we can decide on the Y where we want this. So if I put 0 on the Y, the Z, we can figure out the middle from the size of the object, and we've got our rotation here as well. Once we're happy, we have these options. So we can clear the outer, we can clear the inner, and also if we come around, rotate this around, I want to fill the hollow in here. So we just click fill. Once I'm happy, we just click off and come out edit mode into object mode, and we have our finished split object. If you're enjoying these videos and you would like to support the channel, then you can do so via my Ko-Fi page. That's at ko-fi.com/MJ3D Studio. Any donations will be used to help expand the channel. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.